Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by validating the video itself. Check the container and codec so the gallery can decode it. Next, confirm the file size and duration because galleries often block oversized uploads. Once done, open the gallery app and verify you have write and media permissions. If not, grant them immediately. This prevents needless steps later. Finally, copy the file to a known folder and note its full file name and extension so you can reference it in tools or logs. You now handle codec incompatibility by converting the file to standard H, 264 video and AAC audio inside an MP4 container. Use Handbrake for a GUI or FFmpeg for precision. Set bitrate and resolution within gallery limits so playback is smooth. Once conversion settings are chosen, export a short test clip to confirm audio/video sync and compatibility. If the test passes, convert the full video. Make sure to keep the original copy until you confirm the gallery plays the converted file. You finish by clearing the gallery app cache and uploading the newly converted MP4. This forces the gallery to index fresh media. Once uploaded, play the file to confirm smooth playback. If the gallery still reports unsupported format, inspect server logs or your browser console for MIME type or CORS errors to pinpoint the issue. As a final tip, re-encode using a baseline H264 profile or request the gallery admin to whitelist the file's MIME type. This solves most stubborn incompatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.